Hello again guys, this is a quick video on how to add hover effect on image in Wix website. First, open your Wix website editor and go to Pages and Menu. Here, we will choose what page we're going to put the add hover effect on image. I'll choose Home and then Close. Then click the plus symbol to add elements. Choose Box and choose Hover Boxes. Here, there are list of hover boxes that you can choose for your add hover effect. I'll choose this one and move this below. You can reposition your add hover effect. And then from here, we have two tabs here, the regular and hover. In here, in regular, we will choose this image. Just click on the image and then choose change image to change your image. Next, we're going to upload a media from our computer. And then choose this image. And then after that, choose that image. As you can see, the image has been changed. Then let's move to hover and choose or click the image and then change image. Then we will upload another media from our computer and choose the other images or image and choose this image. Okay, the image has been changed. Then to see the add hover effect in our Wix website, just click the preview button. Okay, let's see if we were going to move our mouse over this image. As you can see, there are changes in your image. Okay, that's it guys. I hope that this video helps you a lot and keep following for more video tips. Thank you.